Hey, welcome back to Futures Chart Academy. I'm Trader Don. Let's review the price action for the MNQ futures for today, August 18th, and look at tomorrow, Wednesday, August 19th, areas of interest and key levels. There's a disclaimer at the bottom. Please do read that before doing any type of financial investing, because the information shared on this video is for educational and informational entertainment purposes only. With that said, we opened up yesterday afternoon with the purple go box, came down below. Pre-market, we got a check mark on the Tuesday low. We got a check mark on the adjusted low. I did a video you can check out in the upper right-hand corner. I said, hey, we're going to need some new levels for the market today because we've already hit the low and the adjusted low. And that's where I put on this New York session low of 29,525. Lo and behold, about an hour and a half into the market, we get to put another green check mark right there, that we also hit that level on the chart. So now what I do is I adjust the charts and we take a look at tomorrow and see what we're looking at. So for starters, let's see where we closed at on the official New York. I'm going to go to the 30-minute chart here. Just makes it a little bit easier. It gives me a little bit more room here. So the official close price would be right here at 29,586.25. So I will put that in here, 29,586.25. You don't like to use decimals, so let's just put 29,586, close enough. That's the close price. Then the high for yesterday was the opening candle. This high candle shows 29,770, so yesterday high of day. Oops, this is how I do my charts here, 29,770. Is that locked? I hope not. 29,770. That's yesterday high of day. Yesterday low of day was right down here on that 15-minute, 30-minute candle for the New York low. That low is 29,514. So yesterday low of day, 29,514. We will put that one in there. So now we got the high, the low, and the closed set. We got those set. Now the overnight high and the overnight low. Once again, to do those, I use the risk reward tool on TradingView and just kind of go see what the session brought for the day. I adjust with the little A down here. I hit that long short tool and it says right in here about 51 points to the upside and 51 points to the downside. So I will take that overnight high and just move it somewhere down up in here at the top of that green box. I will do the overnight low. Remember, these are my best guesses for what the overnight high and what the overnight low would end up being. Put it at the bottom of the red box, and maybe I want to go a little bit shorter. So maybe we break the 29,500, come down to maybe 29,491. That's going to be my estimation for the low. Then get rid of the green box. I got the idea. Maybe the high is a little bit higher. Maybe it's 29,631. So maybe I'll make that 29,631. Remember, those are my best guesses for the high and the low. What we really want to look at is what the high and the low is going to be. Now remember, I did put in this New York session high and this New York session low. Just don't know why I can't move the, why is it not letting me move? Is it locked? Unlocked? Let me see here. Why is it not letting me move the lows? So the Wednesday low I'm looking at is 29,325. I'm gonna have to move these manually. Just gonna have to click on all these manually. New York session high I'd like to get rid of. Oh, there it is, that's locked. Let's get rid of that one. The adjusted low that I'm looking at is going to be 29,230. I'm marking these all on the charts here live. And then the Wednesday high, I have to change this to Wednesday high. We're looking at 29,795. I got to change the text to say Wednesday. And then the adjusted high for Wednesday tomorrow, I'm looking at 29. Oops. Adjusted high of 29,890. Okay. So there's the high, there's the low. I got the New York session low, which I don't need in there anymore because that was from today. Yes, remove that lock drawing. Okay, there we go. Now I got the charts where I want them for Wednesday. So once again, we got 3 check marks for Tuesday. Let's take a look at Wednesday. So yesterday high of day 29,770, slightly above that Wednesday high of 29,890. 29,795. The adjusted high of 29,890. Not sure if the market wants to come back up, but if it does, that's the area it wants to come to. If the market wants to come back down, then we are going to be looking at something down here, Wednesday low of 29,325 or an adjusted low of 29,230. Not sure if the market wants to come down there either. There's my best guess for the overnight low, the overnight high, and you got to watch the yesterday high of day level and the yesterday low of day level because those are possible key areas that we would take out. So that's pretty much how I do my charts live. I calculate the numbers, put them on the charts, and that's what we're looking at for Wednesday. And let's see, economic calendar for Wednesday. I believe we do have a few things going on. No, we do not. There are no high impact events other than the FOMC meeting minutes. Those are going to go on Wednesday. So once again, I'm Trader Don, Future Chart Academy. Take a look at these levels one more time. If we decide to go up for tomorrow, look for that 29,795 to 29,890 level. If we decide to go down, 29,325 to 29,230 level. Thanks for watching. Hey, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm Trader Don, Futures Chart Academy, and we will see you in the next one.